Hey guys, today we're at the Cars and Coffee in Tracy, so I thought I'd bring my Volvo out. Um, Quite a good turnout, to be honest. So just do a quick shot of the Volvo here. There we go, and we'll have a wander around and see what they got on offer. So right next to us we have a surf wagon here. I thought about getting a surfboard and a roof rack for my car, just because it gives it a nice theme, but still haven't got round to it yet. So there we have a Ford Falcon wagon. They hold this the second Saturday of every month, the second Saturday. So it's quite a good turnout, really. Amazing the cars people have got tucked away. We're not a huge city, but I would say that most people here are just local. Cars of every stage of repair, people fixing them up, I guess, but that's okay. Wow, look at the motor in this. I heard this one come in. It's a monster. Wow, look at that. These are real hot rods, these. Paint job is beautiful on these. Look at that. Really, really shines beautiful. Wow, amazing. We have some really cool Chevys. Beautiful, beautiful condition, these. Wow, absolutely stunning. Beautiful Malibu here. Oh, sorry, Chevelle. Well, these are colourful cars in this spot here. Look at that. You wouldn't miss that going down the road. Walking back up this row. This Lincoln here, it's absolutely stunning car. It's so pristine. The paint and everything is just amazing. Boy, back in the day, if you had one of these, you would be something. Old Ford there. Another nice one in great condition. Bel Air. Chevy Nova. It's nice when people put like the history of the build, where they got the car from. All adds to the interest of the car. Looking at this one here, pretty cool. Another nice one here. Paint jobs in these are stunning. Wow, look at that. What a beautiful, beautiful car. Another Nova. Nice Toyota there. Wow, that is really decked out. Look at that. And then tomorrow I'm actually absolutely stunning. Wow.
Oh shoot,
Okay,
really?
we got a 23 T-Bucket here. I know this car. It's my daughter's friend's dad. I know this runs really good because I've heard it run and seen it run. It's pretty cool. Wow. I like the gear shift knob. Pretty cool. Nice. We have some Beetles here. My car again. And there's a nice old Ford that they parked beside me. My goodness, that is nice. Look at that. Love these old trucks.
What's up, buddy? Mike, how's it going? Good. Oh, yeah, finally got it done.
Fantastic old truck. Nice Chevy. Beautiful, beautiful paint on that. It's nice, a Galaxy. I think 63 and a half. I used to have one of these. Great design. Love the tail lights on these. At night they look fantastic. Back in the day they knew how to design things for sure. There's everything here, new, old. Nice Chevy. A lot of bugs here today. Superbird. I've seen this around a few times at different shows. This is a local car. Very, very nice. Chevy wagon. Nice Ranchero. I've seen that floating around a few times around town. Mustang. Got the SWAT team here. One for sale there. Nice beach cruiser. Nice Mustang fastback. Wow, that is really nice too. Beautiful, beautiful car. Thunderbird. Sure if it's a 64, 65, probably a 65. Lots of Mustangs here. Nice Shelby. This is a car that I've just sold recently. Obviously, this one is like night and day above the one I had, but actually, these are quite nice cars. I do like the design of these cars. They're really cool. This one's very, very nice condition. T-tops. Mine didn't have the T-tops. Again, the paint job's very nice. So I've opened the hood on the Volvo. Still pretty clean. But just keep driving it. I like these cars because you never know what they got under the hood. Look at that. Another Mustang here. Lowered bug. Next to it, a nice truck. That's in nice shape too. I've revisited the Lincoln. This is a plaque that they put on the floor here about all the information on the car. Wow, it was $4,600 back in 1935. That was a lot of money back then. Got like an old whizzer bike there. Pretty cool. Trans Am Firebird there. Camaro. Malibu's pretty nice. Well, that's for sale too. Wow. Be interesting to see what they're asking for it, but I'll save my money for now. Road Runner there. Well, that's a cool coloured Corvette. 442.